कल मैं देख रही थी CNN की बेटी एंडरसन को इन्होंने जब इंटरव्यू दिया तो CNN जो अमरीकी चैनल है उसमें तो इन्होंने कोई अमरीकी साजिश की बात नहीं की। अगर आप में हिम्मत थी और अगर साजिश सच थी तो CNN को बताते कि तुम्हारा मुल्क मेरे खिलाफ साजिश कर रहा है। साजिश का जिक्र तो वहाँ पे बिल्कुल भी नहीं था। झूठी।
The US Embassy was calling members of my party. They were having meetings with the US Embassy. And what were they meeting them? Imagine telling a country, ambassador of a country of 220 million people that you get rid of your prime minister. This guy should be sacked for bad manners and sheer arrogance. So this is where it started. The cipher was read out in the cabinet. There are minutes of the cabinet. Then I presented it in our National Security Council where all the service chiefs were present because this was a blatant intervention in the internal affairs of Pakistan. A regime change. The National Security Council decided to give a démarche, protested to the US in Pakistan and in Washington.